There you go. It's already playing.
Can't even really see him.
What if I lit it on fire? Gabe. What if I lit the kit on fire? Should be.
Man, watch. Stop.
Oh, it's fine.
Don't.
Yeah, it's hot.
He's all wrapped up in it now. Can't get out. Oh, well, you can't even see him against my pants.
Where'd go?
What the fuck? Ow. I fucking lost him. He jumped over my shorts and I couldn't see him.
It hurts so bad.
Whoa. Ow, fucker. Ow, you little shit. That fucking hurts.
What's on his head?
I don't know. Where'd he go? I lost him. Oh, here he is. I found him. Get the dodo. He's all free runner.
No, it's slippery. You're gonna fall.
No, he won't. He's a gangster. He's gangster now. Go to the seat, dummy. Go to the seat.
I know.
He saved himself.
That was fucking awesome. Go.
I don't know, he disappeared.
I see him.
I don't see him on the camera.
You can't see him on the camera, but I can see him.
Oh yeah, now I see him. Damn, 3 minutes already?
Like, what the fuck?
Took that.
I did.
Took it again. I took the...
I don't eat my toes.
Damn, there's black clothes over there and you can't even see his head. You don't know what the fuck it is. Really. But it's a cat. It's a cat. And his name is Shadow. And he's a funny little fucker. Hey. Oh, you suck. Here, take the camera. Take the camera.
Shadow, I love you. Do you want the camera now?
No, keep going. Yeah. And if we keep switching off so we can...
Oh.
Exactly.
This
He hasn't done anything really...
Except jump up on here.
What the fuck? He's fast.
No.
Hey, fucker! I lost him again.
Hey, kitty, kitty. Jump. Do you want a cookie?
Ah, he bit me.
Oh, I'm afraid to get up.
No cat, no cat, no cat, no cat. Hold him.
Ah, my back! Ah!
Hold him, hold him.
Got you. You can barely see him against. Ah! No jumping. I didn't do it purr. No kitty.
I heard that shit in pretty long. Did you talk to you or no? That's cool.
Fucking hungry.
No lie, it's actually Dracula.
I know, I got it from the freaking machine.
That's cool.
Now I unplug it, and then I put it right here.
Did your grandma know you have it?
No. Well, if she walked in my room this morning, then yes. Hey, can you look? There's like a bottle right down there.
A bottle.
Never mind, I found it.
Oh, fuck. I forgot. They had booze. We should have gone with Victor.
We should have gone with Victor.
Let's go to Victor.
I can't.
Why not?
Sorry, almost like my
You can't leave?
school day.
You can't leave though?
I can't.
Why not?
I was like, I don't want to have to go pick you up.
Mr. Cat. Come here, Shadow. Smokey. Either one. Hey, don't fuck with that shit. Stupid. Damn, where the fuck did you go? Ow. Oh, you should have seen it. That was funny. It just... Here, give me some cookies.
You want that cookie?
Mm-hmm. You tripped out at the door move. Hey, why?
I let the cat stripping.
Look, you're gonna go over here and see what the fucking doing. Look, he's getting ready to count and everything. Eat it.
Okay.
He might put holes in her tire.
They're not new. They already popped.
Dude, I can't believe this bowl is still glowing.
I know.
That's insane.
Look, it's been 10 minutes.
God damn. That means we've been smoking for at least 20.
What? Oh no. Come here, Shadow.
He's smoky right now.
Oh yeah, Smokey. Come here, Smokey. Come here. Come here.
He's only Shadow when he's sober. What the fuck? What the fuck? What did the people on the airplane do to you?
Oh God, I'm gonna die.
they just crash landed and the cat comes up and starts shooting them. What the fuck? They crash landed 3 damn times. They're prepared for flight again, stupid. Down.
Here you go. I'll be right back.
Go get more cookies.
Don't forget to shut the door.
No, he comes with us.
Pick him up. Oh, you picked him up.
Look, you can't even see the little fucker. Put him on the table. He's on the table, okay?
No, it's not for now.
Easy. There's nothing left.
I ate the rest this morning.
And you put it. Look at him.
I put it back.
The cat's on the table.
My house.
Make him. We're munching out.
You want a burrito?
I don't know.
That's in this one. Damn. What you doing, dude? What you doing, dude?
Give me one. What the hell?
I asked you and you
I said yes.
cheese and
No.
beans or beef and beans?
Cheese and beans.
What cheese? There is no cheese and beans.
God damn it.
I know I got pissed off too. I can fight cheese and beef.
Then why'd you ask me if I wanted some of those ones? What the fuck?
That jump down.
Yeah. He's cool. He's chilling. Like a mad villain. I don't know.
Bless you.
Hey.
What?
I'm just third.
Cereal.
Yeah. That's what's up.
Oh God, that was funny.
I'm eating cereal. Fuck that burrito.
You're not gonna eat the burrito?
No.
Okay, I'll eat both of them. Where did the kitty go?
I do not know. She's right there. We're fine. I'm gonna eat that. China bowl.
Where did the kitty go? Hey, kitty, kitty, kitty.
It's over there.
Where?
What the fuck? How did you get in there?
Do you need help?
What the fuck? How did he get in there? Or keep him burning so he can get out. Where
Where you're looking, just grab any bowl. Use any of them.
You have any plastic?
No. No? Look, he got. Oh, he did a backflip when he got out.
Did you really? Did you get it on camera?
Yeah.
Well, keep recording it.
Going against the banana.
Why are we going against the banana? What the fuck? No, don't make it against the banana. Look, how the fuck did he get back in there?
That's not fucking.
Can he fit through the gaps?
Yeah.
Maybe that's what it is.
What?
Just kidding.
You sit down. I'm gonna put you out of my house.
Fuck you. What the fuck, man?
Whoa.
Whoa. Damn, he's a fast little fucker. Hey, you better get him before he takes off. I lost him. I found him. I lost him. Where did he go?
Gets the banana, it goes.